Hi guys, welcome back. Today, sorry for my voice because it's actually a sham period. It's in the middle of the night here, so my voice looks weird. So I'm sorry for that. So today, I just want to discuss about AUD. There was a very good sell that we got around here. So I want to explain how we got the sniper entry here. So it's a very, very good trade. So the trade was analyzed using the technical analysis and using the market maker sentiment. So we just use all the both tools to actually get the trade. We all understand the technical analysis, so I think that should be done. But in case if you are new to it, let me just point some stuff here. So the first thing we look at is, when you look at the structure, you will see the price making lower lows, making lower lows. All right, that this is the last lower low. All right, and the price went higher, making the first higher high, came down a little bit, and make another higher high this week on Monday. So making this last higher high, then from there it sold. So what are the things that we look at? So some of us will say probably because of this particular ceiling or order block that is here. Yeah. It might be part of it, but not only the order block. All right, there's still some other things that we watch out. So the very first thing that we look at is we like to, since it's a long trade, like an 100 pips trade, so we like to look at the daily, what is going on there. So if you go to the daily, you will notice that we have a daily low around here. All right, we have a daily low around here where the market retraces up. All right, so we marked that area. That area is very, very important. All right, then going back to the 4 hour, so we see that we also have a 4 hour order block here, which is also something that really makes sense. All right. So this 4 hour order block is not going to make sense if there is no liquidity, but because we have a short-term liquidity previous week here, so that is why this year is going to make sense. All right. So the price retraces a little bit, took out this little I. So if you do the measured move, you're going to get this particular I as your place of entry. So if you go to the 1 hour, you will notice that the entry was so perfect. It was so perfect. All right. So it was actually a sell limit. All right. It was not a market order. It was actually a sell limit that I actually placed here. So the market got there, and there was a little bit of distribution here, and the market sold from there. So ending with over currently 165 pips, but we already made over 190 pips earlier. So currently we're trading at 165 pips. So still a good stuff. All right, still good stuff. So one of the things that is very, very important is the fact that we have this liquidity here before this particular order block. So it makes this order block to be a very high probability order block. So that this is just from the technical standpoint, and without fundamental, you can't actually go far with the technical. So we need to check what is going on with the fundamental. All right. So now I'm gonna share my screen. All right. So this is EURAUD. All right. And this value line that you're looking at here shows us the market maker sentiment, what the market maker are doing. Are they bearish? Are they bullish? Which direction are they going? Then we'll be able to follow that particular direction. As you can see here, we see a drop in liquidity and the price later drop. All right. The price is not going to drop immediately. If it drops immediately, it doesn't give us any chance. It's not going to give us any chance to enter, and we might not be in advantage. All right. but we see some kind of a distribution, and the price actually drops. So it gives us a lot of time to actually enter this particular nice trade. Even the buy that is here, look at the buy that is here. We could see that the market maker adding a lot of funds into this, and the price later, went up. So the same thing we had here. All right, this was the 4-hour order block. So this is a 2-hour time frame. So it doesn't mean still the same thing. So this is the 4-hour order block. All right, nested in 2 hours order block, nested in 4-hour order block. All right. And if you look at this, you're going to see the divergence between the market maker value line and the price. All right, so the price made higher high. Why this does not make higher high? This shows us that these people are actually bearish. All right, they're actually bearish. So when you see this and you see the price going into an order block, so it might be a very good probability trade, and you might be able to make some money there. So this trade was taken at the top here on the sell limit, and it moves over currently reading at 165 pips. So that's how we got the trade. And as you can see, it was using the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis, and we all made money from that. All right, guys, so that will be all, and thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye.